This is the video tutorial for the Module 5 of the Mobile Programming 1 course, User Interface Architecture. For this module, we're going to be running your Module 4 or your Hello World application to different screen sizes. The concern that we have usually with regards to Android phones or Android devices is that there are different screens. To do that, we just need to add a simple code or edit a simple code for it to work. But first, you need to have two virtual device managers. So the first one that I've created is a 2.7 QVGA, and its Android name is Android 1. And then for the second, it's named Android 2, and the screen size is 4.0 WVGA. So once you've created two virtual devices, the next thing that we're going to do is to make sure that the text view that we typed in on your Module 4 activity or application is going to be fitted on both screen sizes. So to do that, just go to the activity main layout, and then double click the text view, and then look for Android layout with, and then change it to match underscore parent, and then save your work. So once you've done this, it's supposed to make both virtual devices make your text view fit. So we're going to try to run it first. So click run and then click run configurations. Once you've clicked run configurations, just click new launch configuration and then type in module 5, then click hello world or whatever you named for your module 4, and then we're first gonna run the Android 1 or the 2.7 QVGA screen. Click apply and then click run. So once your emulator has loaded, it's supposed to provide you with the same hello world and my first Android application output, although it's supposed to be fit in a smaller screen. So we will just wait for this to load, and then after this we are also going to run the same application on a different virtual device or emulator to see if there's any change whatsoever with regards to the text view. Once your emulator has loaded, your Android 1 emulator has loaded, just see if the application works, and then after which we are going to be running the second one as well. So if you notice, we have already successfully run the first virtual device manager or first emulator. The second emulator is supposed to have the same output with regards to the application, although the screen is going to be different. It's going to be a bit larger. So close your first emulator and then click run configurations again, and then for the target this time click Android 2, so the larger screen out of the two emulators that we created a while ago. Then click apply and then click run, and then we are also going to wait for this to load and see if there's going to be any difference between the first emulator that we tried and the second emulator that we run. So the match parent function is supposed to eliminate that, especially for text view or any widgets that you've placed it. Okay, so we will just wait for this to load. Once your second emulator has loaded, we are just going to check here if the output is still the same with the first emulator that we've tried. So we will just wait for this to load and check if we are successful with the video tutorial or not. So we will just check if the output is the same. So if you notice, even the spacing that's supposed to be different is the same due to the match underscore parent function that we've typed. So this ends our module 5 video tutorial. I will be seeing you again for the next module. Thank you.